respected teachers and my dear friends. My name is Sharon Srish and today I am going to make a fruit salad. Firstly, we are going to see the ingredients. They are pomegranate, apple, 2 types of bananas, grapes, cashew nuts, dates and milk. Benefits of fruit salad. Fruit salad offers numerous health benefits due to its rich source of vitamins, minerals, antioxidants, and fiber. These benefits include boosting the immune system, aiding digestion, promoting healthy skin and hair, potentially aiding weight loss, and providing essential nutrients for overall well being. I have crushed the cashew nuts, dates, and banana. I added milk to this mix. I am mixing it. Now I am adding pomegranate, apple, grapes, and banana. Let's mix this well. Our fruit salad is ready. Why fruit salad has a lower carbon footprint? Most of the ingredients are plant-based foods. Plant needs low level of carbon footprint. So, fruit salad has a lower carbon footprint. Fruit salad support SDG 13. SDG 13 Climate Action. Fruit salad is a sustainable recipe. As a lower carbon food, it can contribute to climate action.